Hello, also welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to discuss about the configuration of inter-VLAN routing with the help of a multi-layer switch. What? Multi-layer switch. Okay, dear. So here we got a multi-layer switch that is connected to PC0 and PC1, and let us assume that PC0 is running with an IP address of what 192.168.10.2 and 192.168.20.2 on PC1. Let us assume that PC0 is a member of VLAN 2 and has a department of sales, and here PC1 is configured with the VLAN 3 and has a department marketing. Okay, marketing department. Okay, so we have two different departments, VLAN 2 and VLAN 3. Okay, so VLAN 3 is a member of what? Marketing department. Here we got VLAN 2 on the left side with PC0, and VLAN 3 is a member of marketing department. PC1 is the member of VLAN 3 and belong to marketing department. Now we have to do the configuration of inter-VLAN routing so that these are from different prefix, as well as these two PCs belong to different VLANs could able to communicate. So that is why we need a layer 3 switch. On this layer 3 switch, we are going to create the virtual interface of the switch, like VLAN 2, that is having an IP address of what? 192.168.10.1, and VLAN 3, a virtual interface of VLAN 3 that is having an IP address 192.168.20.1. And these two VLAN interface will also start work as the gateway for these PCs. So gateway will be 192.168.10.1, that is belong to what? VLAN 2. Okay. And also we will do the routing in between these two VLANs, like V2, VLAN 2 and VLAN 3. Let's start the configuration. Okay, so first of all, we will provide the IP address to PCs. Go to desktop and 192.168.10.1, 10.2, having 192.168.10.2 having a gateway 192.168.10.1. Let's go to right side, and also on right side this PC, let's provide the IP address 192.168.10.20.2 and having a gateway 192.168.20.20.1 that belong to VLAN. Okay. Now let's create the VLAN on this layer 3 switch. How we can do that? No. Enable configuring terminal interface, VLAN to name sales. Okay. VLAN 3 name marketing. Okay. Now allot these VLANs to the interfaces, like FA0/1 will be provided with the VLAN 2 and FA0/2 will be provided with the VLAN 3. Let's provide these also. Okay. So interface FA0/0/1 switch port mode access. Okay, switch port access VLAN to interface F0/2 switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 3. Okay. Now allot the IP address to these two VLANs. So interface VLAN 2. Okay. IP address is 192.168.10.1 and 255.255.0. Interface VLAN 3. Okay. IP address is 192.168.20.1 and 255.255.255.0. Now we have to do the routing so that these two different VLANs can able to interact. So we have to put a command IP routing also. Now everything is done. Okay. Now we can able to forward the data from this PC to other PC. Let me try to ping 192.168.20.2, and you can see that these are pinging perfectly. So the packet can be able to forward in between these two PCs. So this is how the inter-VLAN routing configured over the layer 3 switch. So dear, if you have any confusion about the configuration of inter-VLAN routing, please let me know, and have a nice day, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel.